Good day. I am Trixie Miguez from BSOA 1B, and I'm going to discuss the climate change. Climate change is one of the most pressing global issues today. This presentation will discuss its causes, effects, and solutions. So, what is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns mainly caused by human activities like burning fossil fuels and deforestation. This leads to global warming, which disrupts natural systems and increases extreme weather events. So, what is the causes of climate change? Greenhouse gas emission, CO2, methane, and etc. CO2 is from burning fossil fuels traps heat in the atmosphere. Deforestation. Fewer trees means less CO2 absorption. Third is industrial pollution. Factories release harmful gases. Agriculture and livestock. Cattle produce methane and fertilizer release nitrous oxide. Fossil fuels combustion. It it's coming from the oil, and gas contribute heavily to emissions. And that's the example pictures. So, what is effect of climate change? First is rising global temperatures. More heat waves and droughts. Second is health impacts, the heat waves and the diseases. It increased respiratory disease and the spread of viruses like dengue and the malaria. Extreme weather events, stronger storms, hurricanes, and unpredictable climate patterns. Sea level rise, melting ice caps threaten coastal cities. And the fifth is biodiversity loss. Many species struggle to survive in changing environments. And that's the example pictures. So, ano naman ang mga solutions of climate change? First, reduce fossil fuels use. Shift to renewable energy like solar and wind. Reforestation. Plant trees to absorb CO2. Third is sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture reduce emissions from farming. For individual actions, use energy efficiently, reduce waste, and advocate for change. And lastly, conclusion. Climate change is a global crisis that requires urgent actions. Everyone can contribute by adopting sustainable practices and supporting environmental policies. So, climate change is a serious issue. By taking action now, by through clean energy, conservation, and policy support, we can protect the planet for future generations. And that's all conclude my presentation. Thank you and bye.